Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Freeyum. This is honey apple soft baked bars. There's the ingredients, but if you want to read it, pause the video. And yeah, if you look at it, it is school friendly, not artificial, free from a lot of those allergens, as you can see, dairy, all that type of stuff, eggs. So we're going to do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. Okay, so these things are pretty tiny, so we're going to do a quick taste test. I'll open it up. There you go. All right, so it's actually really good. It's like a soft nougat with apple flavor. Yeah, really good. Think about like a soft cookie. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please subscribe to the channel.